In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change domain settings in Netlify. We'll walk through the process of connecting a custom domain to your Netlify site, and I'll explain what each part means so it's easier to follow along. If you already have a site deployed in Netlify, you're in the right place. Start by going to your Netlify site dashboard. This is the main area where all of your projects are listed. From here, click on the site you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct project, especially if you manage more than one website in the same account. Once you're inside the site, click on Project Configuration. This section contains the core settings for your project, including build options, environment settings, and of course, domain controls. After that, click on Domain Management. This is where Netlify lets you connect, verify, and manage custom domains for your site. Now click Add a Domain. Netlify will prompt you to enter the domain name you want to use. Type in your domain carefully, since even a small typo can cause connection problems later. After entering it, click Verify. This allows Netlify to check the domain and confirm that it can be connected to your project. At this point, Netlify will guide you to point your domain to its platform. You'll usually see two quick ways to connect it, and the one you choose depends on how much control you want over your DNS setup. The easy way is to click Set up Netlify DNS. Netlify will show you 4 name servers. Copy those name servers exactly as shown, then go to your domain registrar and replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Netlify. This option is often the simplest because Netlify will handle your DNS directly, which can make future domain management easier. The manual way is to keep your current registrar's DNS settings and add the required records yourself. In that case, create an A record pointing to 75.2.60.5, then add a SNAME record pointing to your Netlify subdomain, which will be your sites.netlify.app URL. This option is useful if you already manage DNS elsewhere and don't want to move everything over to Netlify. After making either change, give DNS some time to update. In some cases, it works quickly, but propagation can take a little while depending on your provider. Once the records update, your domain should begin routing traffic to your Netlify site. And that's how to change domain settings in Netlify and connect your custom domain the right way.